Okay, we're now going to move into measurement, and we're going to start off with analog measurement because it's foundation. It's what we learned years and years ago in school. Digital will be coming later. It has its advantages, as does analog. So I'm going to start off turning on the power. You can see the needle probably didn't even move because the LED uses so little. So I'm going to screw in a bulb here. There's one bulb. You see the needle go up. Here comes another one. Goes up some more. Bulb 3 and bulb 4. Now these are all the same 12 volt bulbs, but we've run out of scale. I think the needle's probably pretty close to maximum. So now I'm going to change the position. Instead of it being 1 amp full scale, it's going to be 2.5. Notice the needle's down. So I'm going to bring on another bulb. This is a much more hungry bulb, and you can see that as you add more bulbs, you're using more energy. Just like at home, you turn all the lights out on your house, on your house, you're using more power. When I was a kid, we used to look at the meter because it was a little spinning wheel, and I'd run around and turn everything on in the house to see how fast I could make it go. I had no idea. I was driving my dad's hydro bill up, but you pay for what you use. Anyway, that's about it for first step out. We're still running at 12 volts because we're at the full end of all 8 batteries at 1.5 volts apiece. Now, next lesson I think we'll bring in the voltmeter, so we'll have amps and volts together, which when multiplied, volts times amps equals watts.
What? Watts!
And watts is what you pay for on your hydro bill in increments of 1,000 watts, hence a kilowatt hour, which I believe in Ontario is about 20 cents or thereabouts, all loaded up. And that's it for now.